Hey guys, I bought this from Ollie's. Just want to do a unboxing and review of this. If you're looking for these for the holidays, you can check Ollie's. I don't know if you have that in your state. I bought it for $29.99. It's probably cheaper on online if you're doing online shopping. I saw the Christmas tree shop has these, Walmart and Amazon Prime. These are the 3D lighted standing deer animated 2-pack. Comes with two. One is 21 inches the height, and one is 43 inches from the bottom to the head. And the head moves from side to side with the lights on it, the reindeer. Okay, so I opened the box already. So they're like this. So it's just wires bent together with the lights on it. You can make this if you're handy and crafty. You can just buy these wires from Home Depot or anywhere, and any hardware store, and bend them and solder them together. This is probably the head, and this is one of probably two in there. These are the stakes they come up to put in the ground, and instruction and all that, manual how to set it up. Okay, so this is the big one. I took it apart. This is the smaller one. All you gotta do, put this and you can rearrange these lights because some of them are off. You just gotta clip them on like this. And this is the head. The head is folded up. You can just take the head and put the head in like this, and the legs are folded. You just gotta open them and then clip this middle on here and put the headpiece with the ears. This is the smaller one like this. Let me show you. I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so that's it right now. Take off the light. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Okay, so this is the small one in the dark. If you want, you can add more lights to it on the legs and the head. You can even put a red nose, like a red light on the nose area. You can dress it up with more like by the ears, the fabric ears, and just zip tie it, whatever you want to do with it. So it don't look like a wire, but from far it looks like a reindeer. Okay, so this is the big one. Make sure you put the ears on the top of the head. This is the headpiece. This is the body on top here. So once the leg's gonna be folded in, so you gotta fold it out like this. And this hook here, you have to hook it together to hold the body together, the leg, because it's gonna slide. It's easy to do. Just and if you want, you can take all these lights and rearrange it back. I might just take like the regular lights. These comes with a clip, so it's very handy to just clip it on like this. But I might just buy these lights and just run it around these wires. Okay, so this piece, the head here, I hooked it on here. This is the piece that's gonna move. You hook it on here, and on the top, this is the ears. Make sure you put the ears on. Just put this like this here. Okay, so this is the big one set up here, and this is the motor mechanism that turns to move the head. And you have this piece here, this hook. If you leave it like this, it's not gonna turn. You have to put it in this nut here, this hole here, and we're gonna plug it in and see how it lights up. Okay, so it's two power, one for this motor here and one for the lights. So this is it right here. That's how it moves, as you can see here. So let's take off the light and see how it looks. It needs a few more lights on it in the top here. You can put LED lights on it, the solar LED lights. It's not bad. Okay, so that's both of them there. I'm gonna put them outside and show you how they look outside after Thanksgiving. But this is how it's set up. And I'm gonna put more lights on them or rearrange the lights. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, and thanks for watching.